Today I'll do my arm lipo. So I'm a bit nervous, but I hope everything will be okay. Okay, so they just allow me to relax a bit because my first blood pressure was 140. Yes, I was really nervous, but now they check it again and it was 104. So it was normal. So I'm just waiting for the doctor and
Two hours later.
See, blood is coming out here small.
show it.
Wow, see? Wow, she did liposuction. See, it's still bleeding. You can see the hole. See? Remove this one so they will see the hole. That is it. See? Look at it. See, blood is coming out.
Is it? Don't touch it. Don't know your hands are dirty.
Are you okay? Is it not? Blood is it blood or water is gushing out?
It's the drainage of the medicine.
Okay, see it. So next time we make a video where they are sucking the fat out until we get the other video where you see how they suck and melt the fat out. This is it. It's called liposuction. This water is coming out. You need to put that in back.
Why put back? We need to change.
Change. Now you see, it's dropping. Change. Should be checking it though, so you know when we finish. Yes. Guys, see, I'm taking care of her.
Hey! Sorry now, you don't know it's painful.
Is it painful? Is it painful? See, I want to do small mischievous acts.
Hurry up.
Shut up. Say please. Is it painful?
No, it's sweet. What the fuck, man? Slowly.
See, now you can see it's very open. Maybe next time, see, dropping. Water is dropping, gushing out. So next time we show you how they suck all the of her. See, I'm doing job for her instead of she to be grateful and say, baby, thank you. She's here keeping face like monkey. See, now I want to close it. Sure. Where is the scissors?
Cut it now.
Cut it with
Cut
what?
with your hand now. Make it long so it will not remove.
Wait, you need to put one more. Am I not doing a great job?
See, as if you're pressing a dough.
Yeah, I gotta press out the whole water out. So tell them, how do you feel?
Before the liposuction, they took my blood pressure and it was very high. I don't know, maybe because I'm very nervous. Yeah, my blood pressure was 140 over 80 something. So they asked me if I'm nervous, so they let me relax for maybe almost 30 minutes, and then after that they gave me a pill, and then after that they checked again my blood pressure and it was 104. So yeah, then after that they asked me to go to the operating room, and then I saw a very big needle. I was so scared though, but it wasn't that it was not painful because they gave me an anesthesia in this side where I have where they cut, and also one this side. So after putting the anesthesia, they put that very big needle. So they put the medication to numb the area where they will do the lipo. The needle was very long and big. I think gauge 18. Then after that, I didn't feel anything. And then they started to do the lipo.
To suck the fats.
A lot of fat too.
How many liters?
I think 1 liter in 700 or
Maybe
800.
let's say 2 liters.
Yeah, maybe almost 2 liters because I have a very big arm. Yeah. Though I lose weight, but still my arm refused to shrink. So I decided to do my arms first because my back and stomach can, go easily. Yes, so right now I didn't feel any pain unless you will press it,
Can I press it?
See this one. Yeah, so they gave me pain medications and antibiotics.
Show them the medicine they gave you.
So here, I will drink this 3 times a day, and pain medication. So they told me
painkiller.
Yeah, painkiller. So they told me if I feel the pain, that's the time I will drink. If I didn't feel anything, so just continue. So today I took one tablet. Though I didn't feel pain, but I just want to make sure that I will not feel anything. Yeah, and I think tonight also I'll drink one. Yes.
So how long will the thing heal?
They said maybe it will take 3 weeks. During the first week I cannot do exercise, no driving, no carrying of heavy things, no turning of suji. And see, this thing is good though. I have an excuse. No turning of suji. Now before you want me
So
to
they don't know what suji is.
Yes. And
So no carrying of heavy thing.
I know. Yeah, no carrying of heavy things. Then after a week they told me that I can drive a motorbike.
And turn suji, do the remaining
No,
thing.
not yet.
So why will you drive motorbike without turning suji?
Just motorbike, you just be me.
And carry heavy thing. Is it not after 1 week you start?
3 weeks before you go back to exercise. See this one. You just want to.
Are you saying you will not turn suji for 3 weeks? After 1 week you can turn. By that time the thing will shrink.
It will shrink.
I
Something
mean,
is still fresh.
So tell them, keep talking.
Yeah, everything was good.
successful.
Yeah, it was successful. And let's see after 3 weeks. But they said the full result we'll see 3 months, 2 months, and 2 to 3 months. Yeah, but right now I can see that it's really small. Yeah.
Not really, it's getting small.
Compared before now.
Because it's still swallowed.
Yes, it's
swallowed up.
swollen.
Swallowed up.
So guys, thanks for watching. For those who are planning to have their liposuction, yes, it's not scary. If you really if you really want it, yeah, you can do it. Yeah, so again, thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye.